If you think data scientist is the only high-paying job in AI or data science, let me break that myth for you right now. Data scientist has a popular image and for good reasons also. But what if I told you there are 5 different types of role where companies are paying insane salaries in AI data science? By the end of this video, you will know the 5 AI roles that companies are desperately hiring for right now. And I will also explain what skills you need, their day-to-day job, and the realistic salary range you can expect from each of these roles. Along with that, which of these role is perfect for you and how to plan your career transition in a much better way, even leveraging your current knowledge and experience. Let's dive in. Let's start with the role everyone knows but few understands very properly. Data scientist. It is not only about model building. It's the most versatile role from building models, analyzing trends, and driving business decisions. Every company needs them. Their day-to-day task starts with collecting and cleaning data, performing exploratory data analysis, building and evaluating machine learning models, and analyzing business data. Also, they create dashboards and derive insights from them and communicate the same result to stakeholders and leaderships. They often work with domain-specific problems, for example, finance, healthcare, or e-commerce. So, why is it a high-paying job? While the landscape is still evolving, the demand for the skilled data scientists who can effectively analyze data and build predictive models and communicate their findings remains very strong. Organizations across all industries are recognizing the power of the data-driven decision making. Let's see what are the skills required here. First is the core programming skills, including Python and SQL. Then you need to have a knowledge, very strong knowledge on statistics and machine learning algorithms. Also, you need to make some specialization either in computer vision, NLP, or GNI. That will be added advantage. You need to have experience with data manipulation and data analysis, including libraries like Pandas and NumPy. Also, you need to learn some of the data visualization tool, for example, Matplotlib, Seaborn, or Tableau. Good communication and storytelling skills are must. Let's see who can transition into this position. Fresh graduates can start here as it is the most accessible entry point into the AI careers. IT professionals having interest in maths and starts with good programming skill can also transition into this by learning MLs and statistics. It is a natural transition for the data analyst who can focus on developing their skills on machine learning, statistical modeling, and advanced data visualization. For the non-IT background, individuals with strong analytical and problem-solving skills from various domains can transition into data science by focusing on learning programming, statistics, and ML. Because domain expertise combining with data science is an unbeatable combo. So, what are the salary expectations here? For an entry-level job having 0 to 3 years experience, you can expect from 7 to 14 LPA. While a mid-level data scientist having 3 to 6 years of experience can expect between 15 to 30 LPA. While a senior developer having 7 plus years of experience can expect 30 plus LPA, which can goes even up to 50-60 lakhs depending upon the experience and the training skills they have. Here companies like Deloitte, LTIMindtree, Flipkart, Swiggy, Ola or Paytm kind of companies hire for these roles. Next is ML engineer. While data scientists build the models, ML engineers take these models and make them work in real applications. They are the bridge between the research and reality. Companies pay premium for this bridge. The ability to take a concept model and engineer into a robust production ready system is a highly specialized and valuable skill. Their day-to-day task involves steps like integrating machine learning models into applications or APIs, writing production level ML code, designing or deploying ML models, collaborating with data scientists on model development, optimizing model inference speed and scalability, and working with large dataset and distributing computing frameworks. Let's see the technical skills required here. First is strong programming skill. Here you can choose one of the programming languages like Python. And the most needed is the strong software engineering skills like building APIs, writing clean code, building design principles, or testing the application. Understanding of ML models is a requirement, but you don't need to go very depth in that as data scientists are going to build the models. Experience with cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or GCP from the application development point of view is required. And the knowledge of engineering tools like Git, Flask, Fast API, Postman, or GitHub is required here. Let's see who can transition into this position seamlessly. This is a very common and often similar transitions for software engineers. Your coding skill, understanding of software architecture, and experience with development tools are highly transferable. Focus on learning machine learning concepts and popular ML frameworks, then software engineers can easily transition into this role. Testers having skills in designing and implementing testing frameworks can be valuable in ensuring the quality and reliability of ML pipelines. Focusing on learning Python and machine learning fundamentals can be a key point here. For non-IT background individuals, having a strong mathematical and analytical background coupled with willingness to learn programming language, especially Python and machine learning basics, can potentially break into this field. Let's see what is the salary expectation here. An entry-level ML engineer having 2 plus years of experience can expect 10 to 15 LPA, while a mid-level having 5 plus years of experience can expect 15 to 20 LPA, and a senior level having 7 plus years of experience can expect 30 to 50 LPA. Most of the product-based companies like Goldman Sachs, Uber, Zomato, or PhonePe kind of companies hiring for this role. Next is MLOps Engineer. The real power lies in deploying and scaling AI applications effectively. So data scientists who build the models and ML engineers build the applications for that model. But what about bringing those systems into productions? That's where MLOps engineers comes in. Those who can merge machine learning with DevOps. They productionize AI system, manage pipelines, automate retraining, and ensure the scalability. So why is it a high paying job? As AI models become more complex and critical to business operations, the demand for professionals who can reliably deploy, monitor, and maintain these systems at scale is skyrocketing. Companies are realizing that the brilliant model is useless if cannot function efficiently in a production environment. Their day-to-day task involves building pipelines for model training, testing, and deployment. Next, designing and implementing continuous integration, CI, CD, and CD pipelines for ML workflows. Automating and retraining and monitoring model performance. Managing infrastructure on cloud like AWS, GCP, or Azure. Ensuring scalability and reliability of ML systems. And collaborating with data scientists and ML engineers to build a productionized ML system. So, what are the technical skills required here? First is strong understanding of the DevOps principle, including experience with containerization like Docker and Kubernetes, knowledge of CI/CD tools like Jenkins, GitLab, CI, or GitHub Actions. Infrastructure as a code, IaaC platforms are must here, including Terraform or AWS CloudFormation. ML platform tools like MLflow, Kubeflow, Apache Airflow, or DVC are required here. CloudOps tools like AWS SageMaker, GCP Vertex AI, or Azure ML are required. You can keep Python or ML frameworks on low priority, but it's good to learn. Here you can expect salary for an entry level having 3 to 5 years experience as 20 to 30 LPA. While mid level having 5 to 7 years experience can expect between 35 to 48 LPA, and seniors having 7 plus years experience can expect between 50 to 65 LPA. Here the top companies like Razorpay, Grade, or Zerodha kind of companies hire for this role, and also even many service-based companies like TCS, Infosys, or Wipro also hired for this role. Let's see who can transition into this role. For DevOps or cloud engineer, this is a very natural transition, as their existing skill in automation, infrastructure management, and CI/CD pipelines are directly applicable. Focusing on learning ML fundamentals and ML ops specific tools will be key here. Support engineers having experience in troubleshooting and understanding system complexities can be valuable. Focus on developing scripting and automation skills, and learn about the ML lifecycle. For the non-IT background individuals, it might be a steeper climb, but individuals with strong analytical and problem-solving skills can potentially enter into this field by focusing on cloud computing fundamentals, scripting, and MLOps basics. Start with a junior DevOps role or cloud support role could be a stepping stone for this role. Next is data architect. In the age of big data, having a robust and scalable data infrastructure is paramount. While everyone is chasing ML, companies are quietly paying massive salaries into data architects. The master planners who design, build, and manage the system that stores, process, and secure organization data assets. Without them, ML and AI teams will simply collapse. So why they get such high paying jobs? As the data volumes continue to explode, the need for the skilled professionals who can design and implement an efficient, reliable data structure is very critical. Data architects ensure that the data is very much accessible, secure, and ready for the analysis by data scientists and other stakeholders. Their day-to-day task involves like designing data warehouse, data lakes, or other data storage solutions. Developing data pipelines for data ingestion, transformation, and loading. Developing data pipelines for ELT or ETL transformations. Defining how data flows across the organization and ensure scalability, reliability, and security of data. They collaborate with data engineers and other IT teams to optimize data infrastructure for performance and scalability. Here you need skills like SQL or NoSQL databases, for example Postgre or MongoDB. And you must need to know big data tools like Hadoop, Spark, or MapReduce. Data warehousing concept will be key here like Snowflake, Redshift, or BigQuery. Cloud platforms will be added advantage knowing AWS, GCP, and Azure will give a edge over others. Let's see the salary breakdown. A entry-level data architect having minimum 5 plus years of experience can expect between 26 to 40 LPA. Or a mid-level having 7 to 10 years can expect between 42 to 58 LPA, while seniors having 10 plus years of experience can have 60 to 78 LPA. Here, top pair companies like TCS, EY, Infosys, and Accenture also hire for these roles. Also, some of the product-based companies like Amazon and Flipkart also hire for this role. Database administrator having deep knowledge of database system is a strong foundation. So, focusing on learning about the data warehousing, big data technology, and cloud-based data solution can help them transition into this role. Solution architects having experience in designing and implementing IT solution can be valuable in designing data architectures. Once they start focusing on specializing data-centric technology, they can easily transition into this role. This is also a natural progression for the experienced data engineers who want to take on more strategic and designing oriented roles. For the non-IT background individuals, it can be a little challenging role to directly enter. But individuals having strong analytical skills with a knock for system design could potentially start by learning database fundamentals and cloud computing, and they can aim for junior data related roles initially. Next is AI research scientist. Now, this is the dream role for many one. Research scientists are the brains behind the new algorithms, new architectures, or the breakthroughs in the AI field. These are the individuals pushing the boundaries for what's possible within artificial intelligence. They are the forefront of the innovation, developing new algorithms, techniques, and theories that will shape the future of AI. Salaries are very high here, but let's just not say they lakhs. They also get salary in crores. But let's get clear: this role is not for everyone. It requires PhDs, advanced research, publication, and solving problems which nobody else can. Their day-to-day task involves conducting research in areas of AI like deep learning, NLP, computer vision, reinforcement learning, or recent trends like large language models. They used to publish research papers, patents, and cutting-edge solutions. They collaborate with other researchers and engineers and develop and prototype new AI algorithms and models. And they have to stay up to date with the latest advancement in the field of AI. From the technical skills, here the strong mathematical and statistical foundation are must here, with deep understanding of machine learning and deep learning concepts are very much required. Experience with research-based tools frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, or JAX are very much required here. And they must have the ability to understand and implement complex research problems. Often a PhD or master degrees in a relevant field this is required. Here, entry-level guy having master's or PhD can expect between 35 to 55 LPA, while a mid-level can expect between 55 to 85 LPA. Seniors also can expect 85 plus or up to 1.5 crore, but having that much of training skills and good research analyticals. Here, the companies like OpenAI, Google, Microsoft, or Meta, or even well-funded AI startups hire for these roles. This is a go-to role for the individuals having PhD holders in these related fields. They can learn AI fundamentals and start publishing to transition into this role. Data scientists who already being in this field can learn more about fundamentals and maths and can transition into this role. Senior software development engineers can start contributing to open source AI projects and research by learning maths, statistics, and machine learning different fundamentals to transition into this role. Academic researchers who apply for research skills to AI problem, masters in AI/ML, and building strong research portfolio can contribute to AI publication to transfer into this role. For the non-IT background, it typically requires a strong academic foundation in math, stats, computer science, or related field. So individuals from the non-IT background with exceptional quantitative abilities might consider pursuing masters or PhD in AI and machine learning. Now the real question is not which role is highest paying, but which role you are prepared for. The landscape is dynamic, and while being a data scientist is still valuable, roles like MLOps engineer, ML engineer, and data architects are seeing very increasing in demand and commanding top salaries. Save this video and share it to the peers who want to transition into AI data science field. The future of AI is right here, and the opportunities are immense. By understanding the evolving job landscape and proactively preparing yourself, you can position yourself for a highly rewarding and financially lucrative career. Which of these role excite you the most? Let me know in the comment below, and also if you find this video helpful, please like it, share it with your network and save it for the future reference. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to Escalate Neuron for more such insights on data science and AI careers. Thank you for watching. Till then, keep learning, keep coding, and keep growing.